The concept of clothing evolved to safeguard and protect the human body from climatic conditions, unwanted bacteria, and provide the joy of good health. Natural fabrics like cotton, silk, and wool have been spun, woven, and dyed since prehistoric times in India, Egypt, and China. In ancient times, natural fabrics and ingredients were used to dye and process them, thereby providing immense health benefits due to the medicinal and healing properties. At the same time, these methods were completely eco-friendly. Since then to the present day, methods of textile production have continually evolved. After the second industrial revolution, the textile industry adopted synthetic dyes and chemicals. The chemicals used to produce dyes today are often highly toxic, carcinogenic, or even explosive. Some of them are dioxin, a carcinogen and possible hormone disruptor; formaldehyde, a suspected carcinogen; and known carcinogenic toxic heavy metals such as chrome and zinc. Studies show dye workers are at a higher risk of tumors and deaths amongst factory workers from several cancers. Cerebrovascular diseases and lung diseases are significantly higher, 40 times higher for some diseases than in the general population. As per UNFCCC and other government agency reports, the textile dyeing and processing industry is amongst the most polluting industries for our environment. It's a universally known fact that textile effluents have a huge negative impact on the soil, resulting in stretches of barren land. Dye factories across the world are dumping millions of tons of dye effluent into rivers, causing serious environmental and health hazards. Adopting the ancient wisdom of living in compliance with nature surely will be a boon for our lives with improved mental, physical, and spiritual health. Mr. Rajiv Rai Sachdev, with the mission to bring back the eco-friendly and wellness approach of the ancient textile industry of India, established Joy of Life in the year 2003 to give nothing less than the best to the world. Assistance was sought from the Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi, which has a dedicated textile technology department of international repute with renowned, experienced faculty members. The scientists at IIT Delhi felt this holistic business concept and sustainable green technology can make a huge impact on the society, and hence joined hands with this innovator entrepreneur to perfect and refine this unique eco-friendly technology in a sustainable manner. Thus began the journey to provide truly sustainable, organic and herbal clothing with the holistic healing touch of medicinal herbs for the people around the world, based on the age-old principles of Ayurveda and Ayurvastra, which aid natural healing by improving the body's aura and balancing of chakras. This novel range of garments is designed to boost the body's natural resistance and healing powers, leading to a better quality of life and overall well-being. Neem and holy basil or tulsi and apple cider vinegar, which are world-renowned for its healing properties, were adopted as the main ingredients to make these herbal dyes. Combining the goodness of natural organic fabrics and herbal dyes with medicinal properties, the Joy of Life range of garments will have a profound effect on the physiological system, harmonizing the mind, body and soul. Reasonably priced, real value for money.